So this shows up in the mail, and I'm thinking, what could that be? And then I remembered, I have not received a crochet of the month in a very long time. Not since way back when we got that basket, remember? So this has to be the crochet of the month. Let's see what it is. I've already tore open the top so we can get into it. I hear a bell? Do I hear a bell? It's very squishy. It's very pink. It's absolutely the crochet of the month because there's our bag. There's our bag. And it's very pink. It's very pink. Wow. It's very pink. Oh, I don't hear a bell. I hear the zipper. Okay. Oh, yes. I remember seeing this. Okay. This is the February 23 crochet of the month. I don't know why it takes so very long for me to get the crochet of the month. It is always weeks after everybody else. But here we are, the Smitten Kitten Pillow. I think they must start shipping on the East Coast and then slowly send stuff over to the West Coast. Because I swear my stuff takes, well, it's the middle of March. It is the middle of March. What did we get here? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Smitten Kitten Pillow. It is 15 inches wide, 13 inches tall. She's got an adorable little face and a cute little bow. You can always tell by this number here. That's so 2 of 23. So that's how I know that it's February. Bulky 5 yarn. And Red Heart. Oh, and I say that wrong all the time. That's nice yarn. This is funny. Okay, so Red Heart Huga yarn. This is expensive yarn, you guys. This is not cheap yarn at all. It takes 6 balls of it to make a little throw, which means we're not getting a throw out of this. But yeah, hot pink. This is called hot pink. Oh, so cute. She even has little toesies. Look at that. She's got little toes. So cute. I don't know. Uh, 5 ounces. All right, let's look at the yarn. It's all sealed up. I don't want to open it because, you know, dog hair. So each ball, each skein is 5 ounces, and it has 132 yards. It's a 5 weight, so this is a bulky yarn. It takes a J hook, and it says pink, purple, or light brown. I'm not a hot pink person, but I think I'm glad I didn't get the brown or the purple. I would, you know, as much as I love purple, I don't know that I would have liked a purple kitty. And brown, boring. But the funny thing is, they send us this little wad, this little wad of black yarn. Isn't that funny? And that's just for the embroidery. I'm surprised they didn't send us a little hank of embroidery thread. So 35 yards of this, which I'm pretty sure we're going to be separating out to do the embroidery with, to do her little face. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Tail, sew an ear. Oh, we got to make the ears separate. Feet, bow. I don't see the information about making a little face, but I'm sure it's in here somewhere. So, oh, and then you need to get stuffing also. It is not unusual It is unusual for a Mary Maxim kit to not have everything you need other than the hook. However, it is not unusual for a kit that is making a little stuffy or an amigurumi or whatever you want to call it to not include the actual stuffing. It takes up too much space. It's kind of expensive. And they just don't. They just assume that you're going to get it. I'm just reading through this real quick because I don't even see where it says. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Stuffing. It doesn't. It's so funny, though, in the shopping list, it doesn't say go buy some stuffing because you absolutely will need it. Separately, because you're not joining. No. Does not say anything about go buy stuffing, but you're going to have to go buy stuffing. Almost everybody who does any of this kind of stuff, we've got stuffing hanging around. Even I, who do not do amigurumi or stuffies or dolls, have a bag of stuffing. And I even know where it is because I have an amigurumi project that is a whip. A very old whip. Maybe this will encourage me to finish that because it wouldn't take much to finish that. Okay. Review. I'm thrilled with this because this stuff is spendy. Let me just look real quick. Let me just look real quick. Let me see if I can find, and I'll do my best to do this really quick. H-Y, of course I can't spell, H-Y-G-G-E, H-Y-G-G-E yarn. $8 just popped up. $8 a skein, which doesn't surprise me at all. And that's the cheapest I'm seeing it. So we got $24 worth of yarn right here. And did I have a shopping list? Let's see here. I paid $21 with shipping, $22 for the kit. So we got our money's worth right here. Right here. You know I love the bags. I put a value on these bags. In fact, I like this size right now. You know I'm going on vacation soon, and I'm taking my sock project with me. That sock project is going in this bag because this is the perfect size. No value for this. This is a little bit of scrap yarn. I do not give value much for these patterns because my thought process is, unless it's something really special like this one, this 4-day throw crochet pattern, these little things, I mean, I can find a stuffy pattern anywhere. But this yarn has value. So even if I'm not thrilled with the kit, which I'll tell you right now, I'm not thrilled with the kit, the yarn is worth it. And that is what I find across the board with Mary Maxim's kits. Not very often do I get a kit that I'm like, but this is one of them. Last year I got a kit for washcloths. But the value in the yarn was absolutely there. So even if I don't love the project, the value is always there in the yarn. I don't want to say always. I can think one time where we got a kit and it absolutely was not worth it. But one time in what, the 3-4 years I've been doing these things, that's a pretty good track record. So this is adorable. Will I make it? Likely no. Possibly. Miss Morgan might make this. I can see her making this. Am I going to use this gorgeous, expensive, how do I say it? Hygge yarn for a stuffy? Absolutely not. And that happens frequently too on these kits that come. I'll get a stunning project with a yarn I don't like. But more often, I will get stunning yarn for a project that doesn't match. And same last time with the baskets. I love the baskets, and I can't wait to make the baskets. I am not using that gorgeous yarn they sent me on baskets. I'm going to find some cheap worsted weight yarn to make those baskets with. And I'm going to do the same with this. I'm going to find some cheap, it won't be worsted weight, it'll be a 5-weight, but I'm going to find some cheap 5-weight yarn in there that is an acrylic that isn't, and I can see the fuzziness of this, and I get it. I get the fuzziness makes it look cute and kiddie-ish. But I think it'll be tricky to work with. Maybe not. Maybe not. But I'm definitely going to find a different yarn to... You know, the more I look at it, the more I'm liking it. She's kind of cute. And I've sort of been talking about maybe doing... And I consider this an amigurumi. And I've sort of been talking about maybe doing an amigurumi. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not in love with this one. Miss Morgan might want to do it. That'd be great. I will send this to her. This is going to be saved for something else wonderful. I'm going to look up patterns for this. It says there's free patterns on redheart.com that I can use. I've got 3 balls. I could probably find more in a different color and do something, you know, multicolored. But boy, I don't even know. What could I pull off using 3 balls of hot pink yarn? Hot pink. This would make a pretty scarf. This would make a really pretty cowl. I don't know. It might be too itchy for a cowl. Oh, what's it made out of? 70% acrylic, 30% nylon. So machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, tumble, dry, low. So it's a wash and dry. This would make a really beautiful cowl. It would make a beautiful one of those neckerchief kind of things. Amber, Miss Amber from Foster and Crochet makes those. It's like a shawl, but they're smallish. It's just kind of to tuck under her coat. This would be gorgeous for that. A beautiful pop of color for the winter time. Yeah, I'll look around and I'll find something nice to make this out of. I'm not using this to make a little stuffed animal. Not happening. So, thank you, Mary Maxim. Even though I don't love the combination, I love the yarn. And the kitty's growing on me. So we'll see. We'll see about the kitty. You know I like the bag. I've already got a plan for the bag. Thank you guys so very much for joining me today. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. And I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. You know, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Some people wonder about that. All you have to do is click the little button down below. And it helps us tremendously in the YouTube world. And if you click the little ringing bell, it'll tell you. You'll just get a little notification when I drop a new video. And if you don't click the little ringing bell, we still get credit for you subscribing and nobody will bother you. So please subscribe. I would appreciate it. Leave a comment below. What do you think? What do you think I can make out of this? Would you use this gorgeous yarn on the kitty? Give me your thoughts on this. Give me your thoughts. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.